We just successfully resolved one of the more emotional cases that I have ever handled. Because our client at the time, 13-year-old girl, she's now 16, she was walking in a crosswalk and she was hit by a vehicle that was driving for a company. She broke her leg and ended up being at the hospital for almost 3 weeks, having surgery, recovering from surgery. My daughter is that exact same age, and so for me, it was very hard to watch her go through what she was going through because I was picturing it being my daughter. We got the case. We got in touch with the lawyer that was hired by the company, a very good lawyer, very good law firm, and it was clear from the beginning that they were going to fight the case. Why? I don't know, but they knew it was a severe case. They knew they could make some arguments about what they thought she might have done wrong, and frankly, they just wanted to force us to prove it. So we filed the lawsuit, we went through discovery, we exchanged documents, we took depositions. Our minor client was deposed, her mom was deposed, one of her friends was deposed. We deposed their driver, their company executives. We filed motions, we hired experts, we did everything that was needed to prove the case, and we got it postured in such a manner that was ready to go to trial. And once we got to that point, as we oftentimes see, that's when the other side realizes that they have no chance of being successful, so they try to resolve the case. We were able to get a settlement for $1.65 million for our client, which was fantastic. We got it approved by the court because she's under 18, and then we introduced her to a company that specializes in structured settlements to put together just a fantastic trust for her that will pay for her college, that will pay for her incidentals at college, that will give her money when she graduates to get going, buy a first house, get married, whatever she decides to do, there's gonna be money there to make that happen. So we just feel really good that we turned what was a horrible event in her life and her family's life into something that is now at least positive to give her a great start in life. She's a fighter, she worked hard to get back, and we know that she has great things ahead of her.